Welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. I've got a Remington Rustler RM2510. I have taken this carburetor off, cleaned it at least 3 times, under a microscope, all kinds of stuff. I cannot find out what's wrong with it, so I ordered a new one, again for 20 bucks like I did with the last, with the leaf blower. And we're just going to replace it. Replace some of the lines, maybe the filter. Everything looked good, but it won't run. So we're going to go ahead and just take this off of here, swap out the carburetor. I'll leave a link in the description to where I found it on Amazon if you've got one similar to this, and we'll see if we can't get this thing to run today. This is an Anxingo, A-N-X-I-N-G-O, WT-973 carburetor .116, and I'll leave the description. I have not even opened it yet. I'm a good boy this time. I was excited to get it. I just didn't want to lose the pieces because these things, the last one I ordered, it wasn't this brand, but the last one I ordered came with a whole lot of little stuff in here, so you don't want to lose it. Okay, new carburetor, hoses, adjustment wrench, extremely important. You buy these other ones, they don't give you an adjustment wrench. You can't adjust anything. 2 sets of gaskets, new spark plug. Sweet. I wonder what the gap is on that. 2 new filters. And one of the more important things actually is these stupid little primer bulbs. These are so nice to have extra ones. So I'm really liking these kits I've been buying. I said the other one worked awesome. Hopefully this one does the same. Let's get this swapped out. Appears this takes a T25 to get this off of here. I've had it on and off several times. I think I just used a regular screwdriver before, but proper method is a Torx 25. And these 2 really long screws, they just hold this, literally hold this whole thing on here. So I've got a little air cleaner inside of here. When you pull that off, there's a little washer on the back side. Mine has this little piece here. There's a little indentation here, so pay attention to which way you put that back on, at least on this one. I had them off of here recently, but they do fit fairly tight. That's not the best way to do it, but if it works, it works. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay, right and left, and just unhook the carburetor cable. Ta-da! Done. New carb. Put this one back on here because I know it fits. Nothing wrong with it. Put these lines on here. There we go. I am not going to replace the spark plug. I just had it out recently and gapped it. It was, measured the gap on this, it was like 22 or 23, and that's what I have this one gapped at. I had actually cleaned it up. So literally, I am hoping, with any luck, to just prime this and she should fire right up. Let's take it outside and see. Made some adjustments. There's an L and an H on here, so low speed, high speed. So this is for your idle, and the H is for wide open. They had it way too rich. If you see how blue it was before, it was running super rich. So I leaned it out a little bit. It's running great now. Huge relief. So Thanks again for watching the channel. Hopefully projects like this give you a little more confidence to maybe try it yourself. Again, $20 carburetor, 5 minutes. That's it. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.